Hi guys, and welcome back to Chip's Green World. You join me on a beautiful day today in Yorkshire. So without further ado, let's get on with this week's vlog. Right, so these are the two bay trees at the front of the house. I want two of these in holly, but I'm not prepared to pay the prices that the garden centres are charging. So I'm going to grow my own from seedlings that the birds have kindly planted. So we start here in amongst the fruit trees, where I've got lots of little holly saplings coming up through the ivy. So let's go and find one that'll be suitable for a holly topiary tree. So we've got this one here, which looks to be about right. We've got another two here. I'll have to have a look down at the root system to see if it's coming off anything else. Could be coming off another branch, so it may not be good. But it looks like this one could be the one. Let's have a little look to see which one will be the best one to dig up. It looks like this one's going to be the one. These two here seem to be attached to a different branch coming out from another root system, so no good. Right, so it looks like it's this one, so let's take it up. So here I'm just going to be loosening the soil around it so I can gently ease the holly tree out. Forgot my bucket. Need a bucket of water to put the sapling in once I've taken it out of the ground. Last thing I wanted to do is dry out. 2 ticks. And we're back. Right, so what we're going to do is pull gently, ease it, wiggle it about. Try and get it out without disturbing too much root, or at least keeping as much root on as possible. There we go, that's a really good job. I'm pleased with that. Now put it in the bucket of water. Last thing we want to do is dry out while I go and get the potting shed ready for filming. Now here's a good angle for you to see the kink in the stem that we're going to have to sort out later in the potting shed. Right, so here we are in the potting shed, and that kink in the branch that I was telling you about is where we're going to put a splint on and straighten the whole thing out. I'm using 2 bamboos and 4 cable ties. Now to prune all the bottom branches off, just leave the top little tuft, and then to put it in a pot. There you go, all done. Just needs a nice little drink now. And there we go. 1 4-foot holly tree. And here's its bigger brother that I did 2 to 3 years ago now. It's over 6 feet tall. So I just gotta wait now till the little 4-foot one gets this high and I'll have a pair. Right, so now on to pruning this one. I do this every year, prune all the bottom branches back so it puts all the energy into the top half. This will be the final prune of the stem as it's now at the right height. And I'll do the exact same routine with the 4-foot one until it gets to this size. One other tip, as you want the stem of the tree to thicken up to hold the ball in place on windy days, do not support the stem, that way it will thicken up faster. Right, so here's a guide to the kind of shape I'm looking for, so just a couple off the top and we're finished. And that's it, all done for another year. And hopefully in a couple of years' time I'll have some like this. I hope you've enjoyed Chip's World this week. Hopefully you join us next week. Goodbye for now. Have a great week everyone.